Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an online listing website, which is a website that you can see mostly on internet. You can see it like in my country, like OLX or something like that. That you can sell or you can put your product on it, and then another people will find your product and contact you. So I'm going to share with you how to make such kind of website with this source code that I've made for free. You can download this source code from my GitHub repository. So I have these files inside a folder on my local web server, and I have this XAMPP running. Both Apache and MySQL are running here. And first step to set up this website is to create a database. I already have a database called my database here. Then the next step, after creating the database, just empty database is okay. Then we set up the configuration here. We need to edit this config.php file. Let's open it. Here is the configuration file. So first thing here, website name. I call it Delicifood, which stands for delicious foods. Although this website is not made only for food products, you can use it for any other products such as property or electronics or anything unique. Okay. And here is the name of the product, and this is the description or title of the product, and here is the tags. You can use any other thing here as you need. The base URL, so because I'm running it on this directory on my local web server, so the URL must be this way: localhost 13 delicious food 2. If you have your own website, maybe your base URL will be like this: https delicifood.com, just for an example. Okay, this one is currency symbol that people will see on your listing directory website, and this one is maximum gallery image. This one is maximum pagination result. You will see what do they mean later when our website is running. This one is default URL. This one is not necessary. I need to delete it. Default language is English. I made it in two versions of language, which is Bahasa Indonesia and English. If you want to use it in Indonesian language, you can change it to ID. So let me just use English. Primary color, this is the color code of our website, the primary color, and this is the second primary color, which is darker than the primary color. This one is background color, and so on. This one is Google Map API. You need to fill this API key. Find it on your Google developer console or something. Google Map console. I don't remember what is the name. You can find your own API key. You can find how to get it online. Just Google it. And this one is mailing settings. So if you have website like mywebsite.com, your email host will be something like mail.mywebsite.com, and then here put your email username, email address, and this one your email password. And finally, this one is the database connection that you must adjust. Then everything else you don't need to adjust, except this one, username. For your admin panel, you need to change this to what you want. Admin as username and password admin. you can change it as you want. So let me talk about this database connection. Here is because I'm running this website on my local web server, so I'm using root as user, and the password is empty without password, and the database name is the name of the database that I have made here, my database. Then database prefix is something that you can put anything here to create a prefix for the tables on your database to prevent any mix of if you have many tables in your database, so to prevent confusion you can add a prefix like this one. I put it here, Delicifood underscore. Then that's all. This is the setting for the configuration. Once you are done with this configuration, you can run your website. Just copy the address here, and I'm going to delete this localhost and htdocs and replace it with localhost. I press enter. Here is the website. I should not use HTTPS here because I'm running it on my local web server, so it must be HTTP only, like this. If you are running your own website on HTTPS connection, so you can add S here. And let me try to enter to refresh the page. So this is the home page of the website here. It is empty website, so first thing you can try to do is to register as a user. Let me register as some user. Register with some fake email like this, and I put password some user and your phone number. Make sure you have a country code for your phone number because this website, online listing website, is using WhatsApp as a main communication method. So let's add some phone number, just fake phone number and address. Let's register. We are now registered. So this error appears here because we did not specify Google Map API here. If you already specify your Google API key, you will not see this error message here. So let me close it. Let's try to add a product. Some product one. I can put price 1, 2, 3, description, and the category. It has no category yet. Let's add a picture here. Let's rename it nice laptop. Then we can click submit. After we submit the product, the submitted product will be here. You can see it here. Click it. You can edit the product description, price, description, and the category. The image, you can replace the image. Click to replace it, or you can delete it or view the product. Let's view the product. Here is the product that we have added. If we go to the home page, it will we will see it here. Let's click it, and you can see the title, price, the user that added this product, and description. And this one will be Google Map. It will be Google Map here based on address that we have entered here. The map will show the approximate location of this address on map. And this is chat on WhatsApp button. If I click this button, it will go to WhatsApp website, so we can chat to the seller of this product. And this one is send message button. If the seller is offline, here you can see I am offline here. You will see send message button here. that if you fill the required information here, for example email address, and click continue, you will send an email to the seller. It will send an email to the seller will receive an email, and the seller can reply the email from their email program or from this dashboard. So what if the seller is online? If I click this chat tab here, now I became online. If I refresh the page, now it became chat now button. If I click it, you can fill your email address here, click continue. If you send the message, you will go to chat with the seller using the built-in chat system in this website. Okay, that's for that one. And this one is gallery. You can add another image in your account. For example, I add this hat, and I can add this noodle. And if we want to edit this product, we can add another image for this product. We can add noodle and hat. Click update, and you will see the updated result here. This laptop has noodle and hat picture with it. So let's log out from this website and register as another user again. Some user 2, some address. Now let's add another product. I call it a mobile phone. I set the pricing to 5,000. Let's select the phone image, click submit. Now if we go to home page, you will see two products added by different users. You can click any of product, and you can click the username of the seller. Then you will see all the products added by this particular user. So that's for the home page and the single product page itself. Here you will see pagination. If we have a lot of products, it will manage with this pagination. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this one is search functionality. You can search for any product. For example, let me type phone, then click find it. You will find the phone. Here you will see a list of interesting products or most popular products here. If we have a lot of products added in this website, so because we have only 2 products here, we won't see that. Another thing I want to show you, that this system also has something called super admin. You can open this super admin page by clicking super admin.php page, and the password is admin, and username and password is admin and admin. You can change it here on your PHP file. And let's log in. Here you will see a list of users registered in this system. You can see date registration date, username, email address, phone number, and address. And also you can see products added by those users, and also categories. So you can add a category here, for example electronic, and you can put some icon. I just set it randomly here. Then go to add another category, for example what, food. Let me just click this. So we have two categories now, food. Here we have electronics and food. You can edit or delete those categories. So if we have these categories, users will able to change their product settings. The category, they can choose whether the product is food or electronic. Click update and let's go to the home page. You will see that this is category here. Let's click this button and we will see a product in electronic category. And if we can also get to that page by clicking this button here, or food. We have no product in food category, so let me log out and log in with that first user account and change the product that I have added here. Let's change the category to food and click update. Then if we go to home page, we will see this laptop is in food category. If you click this button food, you will see it here. So that's all the software that I have made for free for you to use. You can modify the codes and you can also ask anything if you have problem with this PHP program. Oh yeah, here you can also add your Adsense advertising script here for the header, the banner, and here is the settings for the placement for advertisement scripts that you have. You can place them here. So, and if you have any question, please let me know. Ask me anytime. Okay, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.